Briefly on the developments that are affecting our party once again. Action People's Party, people in the River State. You all recall that about a month ago, soon after our state party office was unveiled by our national chairman and his team. Same day, same night, the party secretariat was dynamited. We can authoritatively speak of the promptness of the Commissioner of Police in visiting the scene of the incident. But regrettably, we cannot speak of same concerning the outcome of the investigation regarding that incident, as we still await the report of that investigation. And last night, almost about the same time, the place was dynamited. We also got a call between the hours of 11:30 to 12 a.m. in the night. And there was a gunshot that affected one of our gate men. As we speak now, he's receiving treatment in the hospital. The DPO Abacha police station has been here with his team. We made efforts all through last night to get across to the police people that was stationed at the party secretariat for the safeguard of the secretariat and every party member. Regrettably, we couldn't reach the inspector who was in charge. We put call across to him severally. Up till now, he didn't return back my call. Rather, who returned back my call was one Inspector Sunday, who was in morning duty, but left when his duty period expired to his home. He was the one who picked our call last night and made efforts and briefed us so far what they thought was happening in this case. This is becoming an incident that has become too often in River State politics. We are not experts, like we said before, as to identify the immediate or remote cause of this incident. But we are believing that the police will carry out the investigation regarding this matter, and as much as possible, leave it in the board. It's not our desire that anyone should lose their lives becoming a member of our party. It's not our desire that any citizen of River State will lose his or her life because of politics. We only advise that all of us should play politics with fear of God in our hearts and even with money or power in our hands. There is nothing that's worth anyone's life. The fact remains that people must have different ideologies. People must belong to different political parties. That does not automatically make us enemies. As a matter of fact, from antecedents, political parties will come, political parties will go, but River citizens will remain River citizens. It's a very ugly incident, and we are addressing this first with pain in our hearts. Do not think that it's wise or advisable for anybody to get to this level of politics. We don't know the cause of it, but we'll expect that the police will carry out an investigation and tell us either the immediate or remote cause of what happened here last night. But to the glory of God, the victim is receiving treatment, and as I speak with you now, I think he's alive. Thank you very much, and God bless you. As at the time this incident happened, we don't expect any normal economy apart from the security people to be here. And like I said, we made efforts to get across to the inspector, who is in charge of the troop team that's watching the secretariat. We couldn't get across to him. So this morning is the one that was not on duty that he reported this morning. And we believe that since they are police people, and the DP of Abacha police station has been here, I think it's their duty to do that report. Because I wasn't on ground as to know what happened. So I cannot report what I'm not sure of. But the truth remains that there was a gunshot. I don't know what nature of the gunshot is, and there was somebody, a victim in that process, who is currently receiving treatment. And we will forward the pictures to you all. When I started, I said it's unfortunate. It's an incident that is becoming too often. About a month ago, the party secretary was dynamited. and Commissioner of Police, give that to him. He took steps to get us troopers to watch over the secretariat. So one had expected that their presence would dispel us all those kind of incidents. But unfortunately, we got a report that there was a gun shot and a gun moved. That one of our security men, that's a gate man, became a victim. Okay? I will expect the police to investigate this. I will expect the things that are posted here to watch over the secretariat to report the incident to the appropriate authors. Okay? And be that as it may, what is happening and what has happened will not deter members of the people. As a matter of fact, the more they do this, the more we are resolved that we are doing the right thing, that we are prepared to liberate River State from the clause, from the draconian clause of any individual of individuals. We are determined that we are not scared. We are not scared of anything. We know that our lives is in God's hand, and anybody can take any life if only God permits you to. And as far as we know, and we are close to God, nobody has not permitted anybody to take our lives, and nobody is going to take our lives. I can attest to that fact that since the emergence of the new executive of Action People's Party in River State, our party has become a national discourse. Our party has become a major party to beat in River State. That alone on its own is capable of arousing envy from people who probably would not know. But the truth remains that we are a party to beat, and our activities are going on here on a daily basis. As a matter of fact, we are getting influx from people from other parties, PDP, Labour Party, APC, whatever are coming to identify with their party. So I don't know if that is enough reason for anybody to do what they're doing. I'd like to say we're not accusing anybody yet. We are still, as law abiding citizens and civilized people, we're expecting that the police detailed to watch over this secretariat will report this incident to the appropriate and proper investigation will be done.